guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to Stretch the Sketch and my version of what I'm doing with the sketch for today or this month. So here is the sketch. I thought many different ways of trying to blah, 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 blah. I thought of many different ways I wanted to try to stretch the sketch, but I decided I haven't played with my Life Crafted albums, which is what I'm doing 2021 in, just last year, so kind of on track. And this album, I am third of the year, so I'm going to end up having 3 albums. I think only 3 albums, plus a December daily. This album is almost done. I have a couple weeks, and I was doing 2021 and 52 favorites style, if you were not aware of that. So I only have kind of 2 weeks left to document, and just a bunch of things happened in those 2 weeks. So I figured I might as well try and see what I got to document in here, and then lo and behold, I have photos of someone playing with bubbles. And you saw the sketch. Perfect. So I've already gone ahead and with one of my old Citrus Twist kits, I don't remember which one it is, I'm sorry, I'll show more of it here in a little bit. I have cut down this paper. I added a tiny strip at the bottom and Frankensteined it just because the papers are slightly smaller than what the page protectors are, but I was cutting all my other ones to exactly the size of the page protector, so now I got to keep that consistent until because it's going to be right here, and so I wanted to match the height of the paper. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. I don't know why I had to say it so many words. So I did have to Frankenstein and add just a tiny bit on. Otherwise, their papers are designed to be the size for their sleeves, but yeah, I was cutting my other ones like to the edge, whereas I think they're designed to just kind of nestle with a little bit of a edge on them so that they don't fall out. Anywho, long story short, don't know why I'm telling you all that. Got this piece of paper I'm going to do our layout on. I've trimmed my photos down. I have 2 photos. I've trimmed them down and I've glued them to this. I will mat them on this lovely paper, and then we're gonna go ahead and take some stamps. I have some fun stamps that look like coffee rings, and I have ones that look like bubbles, but we're gonna do some stamping here, and get things down. This page will not take long at all because there's not a lot of other paper or embellishments on it. It's relatively simple. So I am going to get some strips for journaling over here. We'll get my photos trimmed down. We'll get some stamping started, maybe a few ephemera pieces, and then we'll be done. So this one's gonna be real quick. I'm gonna gather the rest of the supplies that I want to use, and we'll get started. All right, I'm back. We're going to, I grabbed some items. So these are a couple just like leaf sprigs from Citrus Twist. That's what I'm gonna tuck in behind my photo. I wrote my journaling on strips and cut them out. Because my handwriting is just hectic, I'm not so sure I like it, so we'll see about that. I was just kind of figuring out where things were gonna go, and then I think I'm gonna use this puffy sticker Happy from Citrus Twist as well. But I grabbed out salvage patina and saltwater taffy. It's kind of the color scheme we're going with. I could even do today as my title, we'll see. And I've got, this is a grunge stamp set from Studio Light. I enjoy it lots. So we are going to do one color and this tiny little bubble. I'm just going to kind of distressed-ish stamp it around. And then we're going to do these actual bubbles in, I think, salvage patina. So I think this one will do saltwater taffy. And I'm all right if it doesn't actually go down like solid. So let me grab, actually let's just do this ugly green. I guess it's not super ugly green cardstock, it just, yeah, I want it more like not so neat, so we're just gonna put it on with my finger. Maybe a little bit more up here. There we go. That should be all I need of the saltwater taffy, but you never know sometimes. Sometimes when you're playing around, you decide to add things. So, all right, now I'm gonna grab these bubbles, and I think I'm just gonna grab the 3 smaller ones. I'm gonna do them one at a time. should do some different blues, actually. I think I might. So the medium bubble is going to get salvage patina, or that's technically the large one. So maybe, let's see, because we want some variation. Let's do some salty ocean. And the little bigger one, the bigger one. Oh yeah, this is the bigger one. And then I want a little bit right there. And then I need like an in-between blue for the little one. Maybe do a lighter one, like Broken China. Yeah. Or Tumble Glass. Tumble Glass. That one you're not going to see. Right. Alright, so we're going to glue this down. I don't want too much of his foot not making it on there. We're just going to do this with liquid glue. I guess I can get rid of the stamp platform. There we go. Got more of that color showing. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll do that. I think I will just cut some strips of paper. Ooh, can I fit it on 3? That would be good. Let's see. Set. There's my page. There is my version of the sketch today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure to check out everybody else who played down below.